doing today? Just like I promised, it's Sunday, and I'm showing some of your awesome drawings. If you don't see yours today, don't worry. More will be shared next Sunday too. So keep sending them to the email in the description or DM me on Instagram. Let's check out today's artists. First, Sanjana from India with a super cute drawing. Then, Jack from the USA. So cool, great job. And Emily, also from the USA. Your art is beautiful. And guess what? It's one of their birthdays. Stick around to find out whose. We're celebrating with a special birthday cake drawing just for them. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and tap the bell. Let's get started. Woohoo! If you liked it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Our drawing is done. Now stay with me as we color this beautiful cake and dedicate it to the amazing friends who sent their drawings today. Subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. it's time to give a big birthday shout out. Happy birthday to Emily! I hope you always stay super happy, keep smiling, and keep making amazing art to share with us. Yay! It's time to say goodbye for now. But don't worry, I'll be back with a brand new drawing soon. And hey, don't forget to send me your awesome drawings for next Sunday. I'm so excited to see them. You can send them to me on Instagram or email. I'll be waiting. Before you go, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you never miss the fun. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon.